Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today I decided to try something new. Today I'm doing that popular style that's been going around all summer, the half up, half down with the braids. I decided to do this on a half wig because I saw this technique on the internet and I had to try it just to blend it into my actual hair. This hair is of course from ISEE Hair. Their hair is gorgeous. I've literally always been a fan of ISEE Hair's curly wigs only because I've never seen a wig brand perfect their curls to such an extent that all the curls look uniform, but no curl is exactly the same. Like, it really does mimic natural hair so well, because let's face it, not every single curl is going to be the exact same. ISEE Hair makes it look like it's growing out of your head. It has the perfect amount of bounce, the perfect amount of variation. Like, it looks perfect, but it's not, if that makes sense. Like, you guys can see, even from me unboxing it, it looks like I'm holding someone's scalp in my hand. And I really love how they take each time to just define every single curl one by one. I really do appreciate that from the brand. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has 3 combs at the top, 1 or 2 at the bottom, I believe. And then it has an adjustable elastic band. Now, this band, I'm cutting off the little tag that comes on it, but I like this band because it has 2 places of adjustment, not 1. So if you have a very small head, this wig can definitely work for you, or if you have a big head, it can work either way. I love wigs that are very versatile like this, and it also has a drawstring in the back, which I am going to show you guys later. Now this is called a half wig. With half wigs, you can either wear them right at the hairline or you could push them further back to do a style like this. I wanted to do a style like this because this style has been trending all summer. And I don't know why everybody's charging like $150, $200 just to do the style, not even including the cost of the hair. So I was like, no, I'm going to do it myself and save some money. And of course they sent me this unit and I was like, yes, I'm going to try it out. I just clipped it right to where my braids ended. I did rubber band the braids pre everything, but you can rubber band the braids after you pull them through. You guys are going to see what technique I'm talking about after. And then I'm just pulling that drawstring at the back to make sure the wig is secure on my head. I did put those combs right into my braids. The front of my hair is cornrowed into a design while the back is just regular straight backs. So here is where we're gonna actually mimic that, hairstyle we're talking about. I got a crochet needle and I took that needle and I pushed it through the elastic band. You only need to put it through 1 loop. Don't pull up the entire band or it might come out. And then you're gonna take a piece of hair, put it through that loop, and then you're gonna pull it through the elastic band using the crochet hook. This gives the illusion that it is your hair because it's coming through the rubber band, and then you won't see the baseline of where that half wig starts, and it just looks a lot more natural. So here I'm doing the same thing. I'm using my rat tail comb to lift that elastic band up, pushing the crochet hook through, and then I'm grabbing a piece of hair and wrapping it in that loop. You want to make sure the loop is open and you close it before you pull it through. It might take some trial and error. I just close it manually with my hands and that works better. But after I pull it through and I just squeeze on that a little bit, it looks way more natural than the other side. To repeat these steps at each braid that you have, this is what's going to give it the illusion that it really is coming out of the braids and that it is your hair. And the good thing about the half wig is that it falls down perfectly and it hides any trace of where the actual wig starts. So this is going to look like it's really growing out of your scalp. This is what it should look like once you are finished. You can't tell where that half wig started at all. It covered those little parts seamlessly, and it definitely does look natural now that it's fluffed out. I am just gonna go ahead and take some mousse and redefine those curls because they got a little frizzy in the process, but that's okay. And I'm not using any water, I'm not using anything because the curls came looking pretty good out of the package, so I just needed a little bit of mousse to refresh them. Just for reference, y'all, I've never done anything like this style before. I've only worn a half wig once, and I never did any like braided style like this. So this is pretty new to me, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Like, I feel like this looks so natural. Like, I was in the mirror like, okay, I kind of did my thing, and it really did come out looking exactly how I wanted. And now the final step is to just do my edges. Don't forget to do your edges. I feel like that's what really like seals in this looking as natural as possible. Just having a little, you know, tiny little baby swoops here and there. I'm so proud of myself because I never do braided styles, but I wanted to branch out and do something different, especially because this hairstyle got so popular. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go on a limb and try it. So if you're a beginner and you felt like, okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, save your money, get a half wig, and do it at home. I promise you'll be able to do it. This ISEE Hair did their big one. Of course, this is their 18-inch kinky curly. If you have coarser hair like me, I definitely recommend getting a kinky curly texture. There are other textures that they offer, but this one is it. Look at how pretty I look. Like, my forehead is huge, but I look gorgeous. I love this hair. I think I'm gonna try out like other styles with it. But yes, and I am just gonna give you guys a back view of the hair once I'm finished. This hair looks really, really nice and really natural. I'm so proud of myself for trying this. And if you're at home, I highly recommend that you try it as well. Alright, so not only was that wig easy to put on, but I did a style that almost everybody is doing for like $200, and I did it for way less. Plus, this is reusable and it's actual human hair. The hair is very, very nice. I'm going to show you guys the back just so you can get a good view of what the back looks like. It's super full. You can do this with regular leave out, but I wanted to try the JAYDA braids so bad. And of course, this is from ISEE Hair. You guys know that the curly wigs are always quality when it comes to ISEE Hair. Fresh out of the package, they did look really nice, but I decided, you know what, I am gonna try and put a little bit more mousse in it just to really fluff it up and make it look very gorgeous. The curls on this wig are really, really nice. It's very rare that I wear my natural hair out, but with just a little bit of leave out, you can create the perfect illusion. I used the little crochet method. I saw this hack on the internet and it worked out perfect for me. So I definitely recommend that you try it if you're thinking about it. And let me know what else you guys want to see. And let me know what else you guys want to see from ISEE Hair. This unit does have a drawstring in the back that you pull and tighten, and it also has 2 different ends of that elastic band, so you can make it as small or as big as you want. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as just drop below, pop in, you know, do whatever. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure to go check out ISEE Hair. Bye.